Bonsoir, bonsoir. Ma profite de 3 amis par moi pour garder live là avec moi. Hi Manushka. Bon seconde. Hi Sandra. Hi Sandra. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Comment nous y est? Comment tout le monde y est? Hello everyone. Hello. How are you guys? Hi Eski. How are you? Hi. Before I start the live, I want to say thank you. Thank you. Hi, my love Sandra. My love. Bonsoir depuis le Canada. Bonsoir. Ma dit tout le monde bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Tout le monde qui toujours share live, moi yo. I just want to do something tonight, okay? I know it's not easy when you do a live to have so many people watching your live, but you know, I'm always grateful having 5-10 people, I'm always so grateful having you guys. Tonight, I decided to do a raffle only for the people who always share my live. Tout le monde qui share live moi vle font un raffle parce que mal dans toute vidéo mieux. Moi prends tout le monde, qui share live moi yo. Et puis encore gen moun qui en restriction m'pa wè yo, m'pa share tout reste yo. But I want just to raffle this perfume. This is Vera Wang Rock Princess. I need to raffle this perfume with all the people who always share my life. I'm just gonna pick a name, and then whoever get the perfume, c'est pour Lilie. That's what I want to do, because it's not easy because even your friend doesn't want to share your life. I'm just grateful, guys. I got a few names I can say, Nealand Moslin, Elimod Kade, Gina. I got so many names I can remember, guys, I'm just gonna raffle this perfume tonight, for all of you who always share my life. Before I started, you see, guys, I cut my hair. Yes, I cut my hair. Let me show you the back. I cut my hair. I don't like long hair. But even I'm still using, I use Jenny Growth Hair. You know, you see the hair is healthy. I went for my friend to cut it. She said, don't cut your hair. I said, yes, I wanted to cut it. I feel good like that. Love my hair. Okay, for the raffle, like I said again, for people who always share my life, just gonna do the raffle. I'm just gonna get someone to pick a name for me. And whoever's the winner gonna get the perfume. Yes, Donald, I know. They cannot do it, but they don't want to share it. I know. Can you come and get one name for me, please? I don't want to get it with my name myself. I'm just gonna work for these guys. If you share my life, you know, no, just give it to me. Just pick one from here. Come. Just one name. Okay, hold on, put it back. I just got to be fair. Just got to be fair. Okay, pick a name. One. Okay. Let me see who's the winner of the perfume. OMG. The winner, she's from Haiti. I have to do another one. I put a Haitian, she's from Haiti. That's my cousin. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. He's not going to be able to see it. It's Gabrielle. Gabby be my cousin, baby. I forgot to put your name on it, you know. Haiti, you know, it's just too far. I don't know anybody's going back to Haiti now to give it to you. I will give you something else, but let me try to do it again. Can you get another one again? I'm sorry, cousin. I'm sorry. Take it here. Let me see who's there. And she always share my life, anything. Not only my life, everything that I do. Selena. I know Selena. Selena, if you are watching the live, you are the winner for the perfume. I'm just going to put it aside for you. I will call you back later just for you. This is the winner for the perfume, guys. The Vera Wang perfume. This is the winner. Now let's start the live. You know, guys, it is Christmas. Christmas is coming. You know. Christmas is around the corner. It's time for you to start doing your shopping. C'est l'heure pour nous commencer à faire shopping, non? Moun qui shopping avec moi, yo, déjà, moi dis nous merci. Moun qui poko shopping, yo, guys, I'm sorry, I love my hair. Moun qui poko shopping toujours, it's time. Ma commencer par parce que moi gen un peu bagay là. Yes, you want any color, you know, you, Tani, Dano, everybody, tout le monde share. I'm sorry, you know, there's so many names. The girl, her name is Selena. I know she's always sharing, you know, that's why her name is there. But, you know, next time, you know me always doing things like that. I'm just going to keep all the names and add more. I'm going to add more on that. But, you know, for the raffle for December 23rd, you guys, you know, when you spend $100 with me, your name gonna be there for the bag. Can you get the bag for me to show them? Your name gonna be in there for the bag. You know, this one's for December 23rd. When you spend $100, you can be on that raffle for the bag. I'm gonna start it, guys. I'm gonna start it with the socks. Socks, you know, that's unisex. Nou gen chaussette yo. Now is the time for you to show off your sock. Men to wear short pants. Not short pants, you know. How to call the men's pants? The little baggy. Baggy. They call baggy pants. Mm-hmm. I don't know. The pants that men wearing. Pantalon garçon mette yo. Pantalon twaka, pantalon guichat. I can express myself in Creole to tell you because I just don't get what I was saying in English. But a lot waka, this is the time for you to wear these socks just to show up your beautiful socks. And these socks makes from Indonesia. You've sorti Indonesia from a designer, the designer Torrance, you know, that's the designer's name. Selon design, coton designer yo sorti, qui sorti Indonesia, nous avons plusieurs couleurs là-dedans, nous avons couleur ça, nous avons couleur ça, et fi ka mette yo tout. Moi téléphone en pied moi, li en pied moi. Mettez augment en pied moi, li en pied moi. Mettez bout, li en pied. Moi mais yo parce que vraiment soft. Nous avons plusieurs couleurs. Je vais montrer nos 4 couleurs. Si vous êtes intéressé, couleur yo la Katuli boutique. Dans Katuli na pou yo. Nous avons sa couleur ça yo tout. Quelque souvent gon qui faut besoin ba un garçon, ou ba kon ça pour ba yo, get the socks, guys. It's only $10. $10 only. Vous comprenez? Get the socks, a pair of socks. You can offer that, you know. Nou ka bay moun nan ça. Nou ka mette li lan en basket. Moun ki pa kont sa pou bay garçon yo, nou ka bay li, nou ka bay shaver. Actually, guys, give men some skincare. Like I was saying before last week, you know, men need skincare. Not only women who need skincare. Men need skincare. The kimono behind me. Yes, we got kimonos, you know. This is like, you know, we got these. And we got so many other colors, you know. If you want these, I can send you pictures, you know. I got so many of them. But today I'm just trying to show you like things easy for people can get to just give gifts, you know. That's very easy things to you can do for gifts, you know. Socks, $10, guys. If you're interested, you know, just call me 908-738-1104. I don't know how to pen my number, but the number is 908-738-1104. This is the number you can call to get your socks. Unisex, men and women. That's one. And like I showed you guys before, you know, now mask is very trendy. You cannot go anywhere. Okay, my love, you can DM me. You can go anywhere without your mask. Nowadays, masks become part of you. If you go anywhere without your mask, you're just not gonna get in because the first thing they're gonna ask you, where's your mask? Now, this is the way you can have your mask. You got your mask with your chin. People always forget about their mask, you know. You can get your mask with the chin. If you got elderly, sou gon grand moun qui toujours oublié mask yo, nou ka achete yo parce que mask yo vini avec toute chaîne là-dedans. Et nous avons plusieurs couleurs. Nous avons mask yo et nous avons chaîne yo séparée. La cassette tantôt, before moi te dit non, mask yo nous avons over 100 là-dedans. Masio c'est $10, $10 only, guys. $10, you know, with the chain, you know. If you decide to remove the chain, you can wear the mask just like that. But they come with the chain. This is the way you can wear a mask. Different color. I have 100 pieces. No Masio. The masks are $10. $10 only, Sandra. $10, you know, for the mask. The socks also $10. Different. I got more colors, but I only decide to show you like 4 because there's so many colors. I cannot bring everything, but $10. And we got the bandana. These I got. I'm getting 600 on ça. 600 moun yo yaché en gros. Nous vendons en gros et détail. Si vous même voulez revendre, nous baillons un prix. Parce que they come all the way from Indonesia. It's not things you're gonna see like everywhere in the state. Nous pas pour le côté. Those bandana, you know, you can wear them. They call them bandana. No, you say mask. You say mask. You can make it on figure. You can wear them on your face. You can wear them as headband. tako headband, because you know, sometimes you have a bad hair day. That's one thing you do. You put a clip there and then you put it on your hair. Or without a clip, you can just put it on your hair, style it up. You can put it on your neck because now it's very cold. And when you purchase it, they show you different ways that you can use it. They call it bandana. They are from Indonesia. You know, I work with collaboration with Indonesian. My extended family, they are Indonesia. I'm from Haiti, Indonesia. They are my extended family, guys. If you don't know, everything that I have, because I don't want to have the same thing as everybody else. My style came from Indonesia. Like we got different color, different colors. $10. Everything's today is like a $10 for me. I'm a $10 woman tonight. $10. Different color. If you're interested, because me, I'm more interested about putting it on my hair, because you know someday you don't want to do your hair. You just have something like to put on your hair, and like you put your hair in the back, you know, looking very pretty. No? Li bon on leaf, when you get lean, tout ligne you want parce que bandana pull everything down. You know, guys? $10 for the bandana. For the shower set, you know, guys, I always telling you, for the shower set, we have the shower set. We still got some more left. If you didn't find any gift to give to anyone else for Christmas, this is very easy. Go to the dollar store, 99 cents, get you a bag, put one of them for the client, for your friend. You can give it to them. Because like I said before, my male girl, she's a girl. I give her one, not this one, a different one. And she was so happy because, you know, I want to say thank you to her for all the year, for toute l'année, pour délivrer mail pour moi. I wanted to say thank you to her. I didn't want to give her no money. I didn't want to give her something that she feels special, you know, from my house, you know. And she was so happy. Like, you can do the same. If you don't want to give someone, spend time to go to the mall, like, you know, Corona is back, you know, Corona is back again, you know. You have to be careful when you go to the mall to do things. But if you can get something they can mail to you, this is very, very, very simple. I don't know which one you're talking about. With Sandra, the mask are $10, you know, the bandana $10, the socks $10. These are $30. You got shower gel, you got bath salt, you got bubble bath, you got lotion, you got everything. You got 5 items on this package. And your basket you can use as well. After that, you can use at home for in your bathroom for other things, you know, you can use. We got these, you know, like I showed you guys before. If you want to see more, you can go on my page and then you can watch. Oh my god, I forgot to show you. There's another socks again. This is another color. Now you can show it to. This is my favorite one. My favorite one, because it's coconut. I love coconut, you know, almond coconut. I love that for my bath. This one come with shower gel, it come with oil, it come with scrub, body scrub, because it's come a lot of things come with that one, you know. And the headband. You get headband, yo. This is a headband. You know, guys, you can put on your hair. Like I said, we know toujours get bad hair days, you know, just put it on your hair. It's nice, you know, very nice when you get in your hair, you know, very nice. Nous gagnons différentes couleurs. Nous gagnons blanc, nous gagnons bleu, nous gagnons gold, deep gold, and I got more colors. You know, downstairs in the boutique I got more colors. You know, you can go to my page also. I put some on my page. You know, the wait is over for my website, guys. My fit t'a fait pour moi, elle est pas à l'hôpital encore. She's back home. You know, I can have my website done anytime by I didn't want to launch it anytime this month, but maybe next month, you know. Yes, very nice Christmas gift. Very, very, very nice. It's an add-on, add-on. I always said add-on. If you like generous, some people like to give more stuff, you know. Some people are very generous, you know. They don't like to give cheap stuff. They can, this is an add-on to give someone for, like, you know, for Christmas. Or also, if you give someone a gift card, you can add a gift card with that. Gift card is good, but I like when people spend time to choose a gift for me. That's mean you can give me a gift card, yes, not store gift card, Visa gift card. I can use it for anything that I want. But add on with something like you feel like you spend a little time to know what I want, and you add on to that. For me, I'm so happy. I would be happy. But if you want to add on something, you know, just add on a gift. With, you know, just call me 908 738 1104. Anytime you call me, you know, I will pick up the phone. My phone always with me. I can pick up my phone anytime. Okay. And what else that I have again? I got all these. Let me show you. All these necklaces, you know, very nice necklace, you know. You can wear them with anything, you know, anything you want to wear them, you can wear them. They are just $20. Very nice one. Nous avons different couleurs. Let me show you guys. Nous connaissons lately, moi pas de temps. Mais dans pile projet m'a travailler là-dedans, moi pas de temps. Côté me sorti là, tout à l'heure là, me faire une audition là, you know, for something's coming, something big coming, but you know, moi dis I decided, say, okay, let me do something. Let me do a live just to promote my stuff, you know. But moi qui toujours acheter, me dit merci parce que presque chaque jour si me parle dans post office, pas très dans post office pour moi. Moi dis non merci parce que nous là nous bien monde nous supporter monde là. Même si moun n'a vend on buy pour $2, nous supporter parce que nowadays tout le monde vient bien entrepreneur, tout le monde a chita là a penser à business pour le faire. Vous comprenez? Si on n'a pas supporter un monde, on n'a pas supporter. There's something called karma. You help me and someone else will help you. That's mean, you know, support. That's the key. If you support me today, tomorrow when you decide to do something, someone will support you. That's the way I see it, you know. I bought stuff I don't even want. I was telling you guys, I got stuff that I bought from people like for 100, 200. I don't even want them. But I got them just to support because I want the same way that I support them. I want them to do the same. Not them, but someone else, you know. This is the colors. I got this color. I got this one. Nous avons peur que tout le monde soit entrepreneur et qu'on y a tout entrepreneur. C'est que moi le valet de travail qu'on y a là. I got this color. And my stuff are unique. If you want to get something unique, classic, you call me. Yes, Sandra, they are very beautiful. Different stuff. Nous avons mon jodi là, mon a décidé li kembeli until Christmas. I mean until next year, the summer, she work on summertime. Pas attendre le pas gagner encore pour après lim pour dire moi I want it. This is what some people do when they don't want to support you. I'm going to tell you a trick, guys. People do. They don't want to support you, right? They don't want to buy anything. They are your friend. You do live, you show stuff all the time on your page, on your store, everything. You show everything. Here. You show your stuff everywhere. This is the people who doesn't want to support. After you're done, you said, oh, sold out with this one. And this is when they call, hi, Karine, I wanted to get this one. I said, but I've been doing live for so many days, weeks. Well, no, I didn't see. And I always see them, you know. These people who doesn't want to support. These people who doesn't want to support. I know Nadesh. Hi, Nadesh. Hi, my sister. Yeah. Don't forget, I just do a raffle. People always share my live. And then the winner for this one, her name is Selena. Selena, if you under the live, Selena, call me to get your perfume. Call me to get your perfume because you're the winner. You always supporting my live. I mean, not only supporting, sharing my live. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. Everybody is there. I'm so grateful to have you because, there's so many people doing live. If you decide to come to see me, very grateful about that. Ok, you know quoi, c'est intéressant. Les cheveux sont bien faits. Le wap you Jenny Hair Grove. Faut faire intéressant. Jenny sister, I need more stuff, Liga pomade, tout balinette. She's going soon to shampoo. Everything. I'm going to use a shampoo to show off my hair more. That's one thing I like, guys. I like when my hair is done. Keep going, no? Nou genye bengo sa yo. Le nouel nan men moun, they're very nice, nice, nice. If you want some, guys, you can get some for me. Mwen genye tout kalite, mwen genye nan tout couleur. Silver, copper, gold. Mwen genye tout couleur la dan yo. Akon ne fon fait intéressant. Pour nous prononcer les airs, on a parlé. Comprenez? Parce que nous sommes affaire du français qu'on parle. Nous avons un bengo salon de couleur. Nous avons comme ça. Moi, un poignet, moi pas gros. Nous avons un bel poignet qui gros poignet. Le mettez sous, le mettez yo bien belle. Moi, comme sometimes, il y a qui mettez dans chaque poignet qui est vraiment belle. Chaque moun style par yo. Nous avons ça, nous avons rouge là, nous avons bleu, nous avons orange, nous avons toutes couleurs dans ça. Si vous décidez de prendre une, relez-moi. Only $15. You know, Karine gen bagay li yo, pas for you share, li vend you affordable. This is Corona, guys. I know it's Corona, pas gen moun ki gen l'argent. Yes, my love. Yeah, pas gen moun ki gen l'argent kounya la. Moi, bagay yo c'est $10, $15, $20. Nous allons tout le temps 10, 15, 20 parce que nous parlons trop exagéré pour nous dire, oh my God, I have no money, it's Corona's back. Yes, guys. $10. Nous allons acheter un Chinese food for $10. Nous manger, nous finir. Au lieu d'acheter Chinese food, achetons de la banane, on tire un son pour la rançon et puis nous achetons un bengo dans mes carines pour $10, $15. Vraiment easy. Valise. Nous avons une valise. Nous connaissons tout ça nous fait. Yo bon. Ou pas l'argent pour acheter une valise pour $1,200, $1,300, $2,000, $400, $500, $600. Nous avons une bonne valise genuine leather. Only $39.99. $40, guys. $40. If you want one, let me know. Just $40, guys. Get one. Nous avons ça yo, petit ça yo. Et pas tout une gros valise, yo gen petit ça yo et puis OK, yo gen ben yo en dedans yo, long ben nan, sous besoin mettre pour faire bien long. Nous avons plusieurs couleurs. Comme pas prendre tout pour m'a montrer non, me choisir une ou deux pièces pour m'a montrer non. Le nous bien sorti pour nous ka sortir avec yo. Nous avons ça yo tout. $35, guys. $35. Pas l'acheter valise ou pas qu'à Ford. Pour acheter une valise pour $1,200, $1,300, $1,500, $2,000, $2,500. If you can afford it, yes, you can do it. But if you not afford it, just don't do that to yourself. Pas faire ça à tête. Just buy something like, $35. You know what? If you wear this one, you're looking good. No one's gonna judge you. Parce que valise belle. Caché bagay no baka Ford. Pour poncho yo. poncho yo nous pas gagné. Ça nous gagne, moi pas montrer ça y plus couleur qui rete. Ça y plus couleur qui rete qu'on est nous-mêmes nous noirs, nous aimons couleur chaud. Toute couleur chaud yo presque finale. Nous avons couleur soft qui rete. La couleur chaud qui gagne yo, on va montrer nous ça nous gagne. Ça brown ça avec dark gray là, nous gagnons deux qui étaient là-dedans. Deux qui étaient là-dedans. Brown avec dark gray là. Nous gagnons mustard là, ça on seul qui est là-dedans. On seul qui est là-dedans. On seul là, until mettre les barres, les moins parce qu'on qui mettent là en hold. Depuis like 2 weeks, si pas on prendre, but on te kembe pour lui. Si li pas vinn prendre, but li pas vinn prendre pour parce que on mettre dans Facebook on qui ouais qui remeni, just femme connaît si on besoin ni, femme connaît. You know, poncho c'est just $30 guys, $30. Let me show you guys. Do you can wear your poncho? You can be dressed. You know, this is your poncho. Poncho kal koto vle nan n'importe fête, n'importe réception. N'importe réception, ou mettez ou qui est beau chaud. Même en hiver qui rend cause winter, ou bien sorti, ou parler de ton côte qui peut embarrasser ou boire sortir la machine pour entrer dans le venion, comme pas tellement de fête, mais même qui style fêté. Ou mettez une sous, ou pas besoin de mettre un coat. Parce que je connais un peu moins bien que par mes coats. This is the poncho, guys. This is the poncho. Let me show you better. You see, there are 2 colors reversible. L'on sorti. Ça, il y a 5 qui l'a donné parce que, comme moi dit non, I got 5 guys. Parce que comme je tellement aimé soft colors, you know, I got 5 on that one. You know, if you want to look class, you don't want to look like anyone else, you know, you want to look like yourself. You wear something like that, you dress it the way you want it. This is yours, guys. This is like your skin. L'eau frette, ok, les tia fort comme ça. Vous avez fait un pile bagay pour lui ou tout chaud avec lui. Couleur ça, gain 5. 5, c'est que moi plus femme la dernière parce que le plus souvent le monde vient shopping avec moi. Je te dis, oh, I want bright color. Yo pas les couleurs qui, you know, universelles, but you know, couleur ça ou belle tout. Moi-même, m'kembe 3 là dedans parce que m'pas kembe plus parce que m'pas côté de mettre encore parce que tellement gen ba ça yo. Bien avant me kon vendre yo, toujours pas acheter yo parce que moi pas tellement aimer, moi mettre côte elle fait fret en pile, mais c'est pas fret en pile pas tellement mettre côte. Pas oublier guys, m'gen kimono ça yo, m'gen yo, style gen toujours en bas pour vendre. Pas oublier. OK? Bon me dire couleur m'gen que voler boy. Ça, nous avons seulement ça qui était mustard and green. Now, only one, guys. Only one. The brown one, the dark gray. No only got 2. 2 on that one. We got soft pink and gray. We got 5. Like I said, soft color. Ça, nous avons 3 là-dedans. Après ça, pas bien encore. You guys didn't see me on Facebook. I don't post it in the stories, stuff like that. Like, you know, guys, I'm working with Netflix. I'm working with Netflix, guys. I'm not going to post it guys on Netflix. I have to be on set all the time. Me, Karine, no have time. Me, Karine, pas de temps. Pas de temps. On va dire, on a travaillé on set, on entre on set, nous sorti, nous entre bonne heure. On avait 8 heures du matin, on a quitté 7 là jusqu'à minuit. On a quitté à 11h, on a quitté ça à 10h, c'est toute une journée. Parce que on pas qu'à contrôler pour dire que on va aller en set, qu'on va aller filmer. Et puis pour me dire, mon bon rendez-vous là, comme moi, 3-4 heures. Je vais aller faire travail, je ne vais pas mon rendez-vous pour venir là parce que moi pas bien temps, parce que je vais dire on l'heure, et puis je n'ai pas de temps pour me finir. Sandra, vous connaissez quand on est toujours. Vous commencez à me dire, et quoi? Ma petite chérie, parce que moi besoin, vous comprenez? Oui, vous connaissez, on travaille sur un gros projet, on travaille sur un gros projet. Bon Dieu a béni nous chaque jour. Vous comprenez ça me dire? Bon Dieu béni nous chaque jour. Nous comprenez ça me dire, vous dire bon Dieu merci pour toute bénédiction là-bas nous. Mais pour autant tout, même si je travaille sur un movie Netflix, vous comprenez? Je ne vais pas oublier que je vais la caméra pour me vendre. I have to sell them, you know? Like for the poncho, that's it, guys. Nous gagnons, pas oublier, nous gagnons, scarf, yo. Des cachemire. Nous connaissons cachemire, son fabrique qui est vraiment soft. Fabrique ça, c'est pour nous lier. Là, nous mettons le sous nous. Même si il fait chaud dehors, même si il fait frais dehors, I'm sorry, nous prenons chaud. Parce que cachemire, son fabrique qui est mon corps chaud en pile. Vous comprenez? Là, vous son cachemire scarf, vous mettez le sous vous, vous sortir avec lui. Autrefois, quand je grandissais, moi, j'étais une grande femme la pays Haïti, j'étais toujours peur. Et puis, même si le pays fait chaud, et tout, il y a scarf dans le corps. Scarf, vous comprenez? Même ici, tout, ouais, ça, dans le film de classe, ouais, mon yo toujours avec, you know, scarf, yo viré, yo fait intéressant, yo mettez les gens, yo vle. Comprenez? Là, ouais, so yo dit que, that's nice. But you guys, une bonne opportunité à vous gagner avec $20. $20, vous gonna cashmere scarf. If you go online, you can shop online, Google cashmere. Après cashmere, c'est là 200, 300, 400, bien cher. But vous même avec moi-même, vous gagnez seulement pour $20. $19.99, guys. $19.99. Et m'a dit tout le Canada, merci. Astrid, merci. Pour gros sac pour prendre même nan. Manouchka, merci, mais Manouchka, merci. Moi, quoi recevoir produit déjà, parce que mon Canada m'a acheté ça en pile, non? Manouchka, merci. Qui prend Alexandra, merci, que vous comprenez ça, qui toujours supporté. Imaginez mon juste Canada, la supporte en musique ou bien juste New Jersey. Mon ça c'est mon, ce sont des monde extraordinaire. Parce que imaginez au monde qui New Jersey avec vous là, qui bouche à bouche avec vous, nez à nez, pas jamais, le bas la fin dit, oh my God, I forgot you have it, I want it. Non, mon ça juste Canada yo a supporté business là. Moi dis non merci. M'gè de choisir California, m'gè Natasha, m'gè Marjorie, oh my god, Nadine, thank you. Mon c'est California c'est pas moun qui pour ta besoin, c'est sur des moun que moi rencontré dans modèle qui dans shooting, yo moun sont toujours supporter moi et pas moun même qui a besoin, ça m'a venu même. Moi, je n'ai pas acheté, je m'a dit merci encore. Même si je regarde live là, je connais après, je regarde live là, parce que je suis busy. Merci parce que nous toujours supporter d'acheter ça bien. Ça pour vous montrer encore. Ok, nous connaissons il commence à faire fret. Nous besoin de laine. Mon qui est mon petite fille qui besoin grand monde aime pink tout, vous comprenez? Moi j'aime pink. My daughters love pink, you know. My niece tout monde depuis ces filles aime pink. But nous gagne blanket pink ça yo. They are raffle, nous gagne yo là. Nous gagne yo sous besoin. C'est un plus bel cadeau qu'a bon on monde pour dire monde pour ba monde on blanket. Ou connaît gen moun qui va acheter pour tête yo, là tant monde qui fait le cadeau. Si ou même on fait le cadeau en blanket, là vraiment happy, Nous gagnons en bleu, nous gagnons en gris, je vais montrer nos couleurs. La cassette, nous prenons un grain pour monter les chats. Nous gagnons en gris, nous gagnons en bleu. Ou même qui t'a levé, on est après Christmas. Le Christmas, on met une belle couleur rouge, on met des couleurs chaudes, qui est vraiment chaud, on met sous cabane. Mais le 1er janvier arrive, on met une belle couleur. Parce que je toujours dis que mes couleurs qui sont pastel, il y a qui people like yellow. Ou t'as une belle couleur sur cabanon. Au 1er janvier, le lever, 31 décembre, ou ranger chamon, ou bien ranger blanquette. Et bah, qui pi belle, le chamon bien rangé, ou un bon blanquette sous lui, ou spray, ou un bon baradis baf, et pas tout le monde qui prend baf, ou un bon shower. Les faut mettre en chemise de nuit, qui tout clé, non, bien, au 1er janvier, tout dit, mettez pour, bah, 9 sauts. Mon chemise de nuit, 9 sauts, cabanon bien rangé, cabanon bien senti bon, ou bien dormi. Ce qu'on joue bolette, ou à faire rêve bolette. Si vous ne jouez bolette, ou à bien lever demain matin, ou bon café, ou bien manger, ou à soupe joumou, et puis, année a commencé très bien. Now, nous prenons finir ça, yo. She's not 21, my God. She's more than that, way more than that. I love pink, Sandra. I really love pink. People in Florida, vamos aqui supporting Florida. Only my sisters, Karine, Nadej, only my two sisters. Karine and Nadej. You know I got another sisters called Karine. Karine supported. Long Island supported too. My sisters, Taina, they supported too. Hi Sheila, my love. Oh, hey, I got that back. Sheila, oh my God. Big was supporter in Florida, say Sheila. My Sheila, yes. You see that? I'm toujours dans tête moi par Florida. Big was supporter, c'est Sheila lié. Sheila. J'ai 3 supporters qui Florida. My sister Nadej, my sister's Karine, and then Sheila, another sister from Haiti. No grew up together back in Haiti, you know. Depuis m'gon bagay la, Sheila ne quoi li dit, qui ça ka bon pour moi là? Choix ça ka bon pour moi, voyez pour moi. Même bal prix même, non dit, voyez ça ka bon pour moi hein. Tu comprends? Oui Nadej. Patrick Nadej pas fou, somme dame li payer. Pas oublier Bertilde pas me support the business là. Bertilde she's a friend, but she never support my business, you know. I'm not gonna lie, she never support my business, you know. M'porte camper pour moi. Ok. Pour les kimonos, guys, ce qu'on est, moi, dis nous encore. Moi-même, je suis pas sexy, je suis vente, je ne suis pas en forme Coca-Cola. Quand je mets kimono, je me sens moins à mon aise. Je me sens moins très bien parce que tout bagaille bouché. On a un là, monter pantalon sous moi. Là, moi, j'ai kimono sous moi, you know what I mean? Tout bagay bouché. I love the kimonos. Kiran cause I have a lot of, like I said before, nous te voyé, nous te presque 500 kimonos qui te vini. Gondam Boston qui t'a acheté 100, il te voyé yo, le pays liberté revendre. But, il pas venu ici lui-même, il te al venu, je ne sais pas si c'est Saint-Martin ou bien Saint-Martin ou bien Guadeloupe, c'est là une Antille, il t'a acheté là mais non. Leur voyer au vini, nous même nous vendons en gros. Moi pour 2 ou 3, moi montrer non pour Christmas, tout me couleur, me regarde tout bagage. Mais kimono, this is my thing. People who knows me know I love kimonos. Là quand sont pas bien caché là, on monde va bien parler. Ah, pourquoi ils votent moi? Pour ne pas vote là. Even, you know, I don't care less, you know. Whoever vote. Ou pas vote. But le moment de kimono, I feel good. No one see what's going on, you know. Ou mettez des potes teintés en bali, but un jean qui sale, un vieux maillot, you know, no one gonna see that. And with kimonos, you can dress the kimonos to go to a wedding, to a meeting. You can dress that to go anywhere you want because it's just like another piece of dress you put on top of your pants or your dress, you know, to make you look good. This one, you can see a kimono, you know, this one got 2 pockets on it. a size medium to large. Medium to large. That's a size medium to large. Someone a size medium, this is good for you. This one, the fabric is very soft. Very soft. Like I said, all the kimonos, they're not from here. When you get one kimonos from me, you're not gonna find it anywhere else unless the person buy it wholesale from me and then they buy me. All my kimonos came from Indonesia. You know, like I said again, my Indonesian people, they are my extended family, you know. I collaborate with them with fashion and they send me everything that's in fashion. You know, I can sell them here. Like, you know, this is the kimonos, you know. I got different one. We got this one. And where you got deux poches, you know. Vraiment nice. We got this one. Ça c'est short one, yo. Those are the short one. Ou pour le travail, ou pour l'office, parce que me connais pour le travail, it's all. I know it's yours, Lizzie. I'm gonna let you know, text you after the live, but I know it's yours. I know people when you go to work, sometimes, you know, going to work every day. Like me, I work from home, or if I go on set, they don't mind that I wear jeans or black top, or some places they want to wear all black because, you know, I work with the movies and the movie industry, and then I work to do photo shoot, makeup, hair. I always dress in black. But if I'm going to do one person, I don't have to go to do sets, whatever it is. I just wearing my kimono, and then, you know, I put my jeans, my boots, and, you know, looking good, and then that's all I want to, you know, I want to know. But if you're going to work every day, you don't have nothing to wear. Sometimes you say, oh my God, every day, what else I have to wear? Because some places, they give you uniform. If you don't have uniform to wear, best thing to do, get a kimono. You can wear that on Monday and Friday. No one gonna see that. Just put something else in the bottom. That's all you have to do. And your body shape. Your body, they give you shape because, you know, the way they are, they're not straight. They are just like a little, give you a little curvy. That's what I'm saying. Because, you know, when you don't have the Coca-Cola shape, when you used to have it and you're getting older, you don't have it anymore, because your tummy gonna come no matter what, unless you do something else. But, you know, I'm telling you, the tummy is there. But, you know, when you're a kimono, no more tummy, no one gonna see that. You know, just gonna be like very sexy and nice. You see, like this one come with the mask. And mask la vina tout chen ni. This one come with the mask. What else that I have again? I bought up. I got this red color. Red color again. I got this one. What else I bought up again? This one. You see, they come with the mask and the chin. Best way to hide the tummy, just wearing kimonos, okay? Parce que Westerner, you feel don't feel mal. I always tell you guys, when I was those Westerner, Westerners, my back was hurting me, you know. It's best for me to wear my things like that. Gros rad, moi, li couvre tout bagay, moi, pas gros rad, non, parce que c'est une size extra large, moi, mettons rad 2X, 3X, no. Because, you know, if you do that, that's tacky. You cannot wear 2X, 3X when you wear extra large or large. No, that's tacky. But when you wear kimono, this is the style. When you check to see, everybody wear kimonos now. Next summer's coming. Well, tout le monde va kimono qu'on y a là. Attendre le summer arrive pour venir de kimono. Shop now. Get them now, guys. Get them now. Black pants, black top, and then this one on for Monday, okay? Wear that Monday with black pants or black dress with that top for Monday. On Friday, when you go to work again, you mette gray pants, gray top, ou mette li. I bet you will feel différence now. You'll say, oh my God, you always dress nice. You know what? Because you know what to match. You know to match. Guys, probably encore. Selena, if you're watching the live, you know, from the beginning of the live, guys, I did a raffle for people always sharing my live. For people sharing my live. The winner is Selena. Selena, this is for you. If you're under the live, call me after the live, or you know, I will inbox you from Facebook, because most of the people, you know, this is the funny thing. People will share my life. People that I don't know. Like today, I was checking on my page. I'm checking. I have to go and click and then say, who's that person? Who's that person? Who's that? Is that people that I don't even know? And moun ki la vek moun ba vat mwen la de vale pale pou mwen. Yo ba share, yo ba share pou mwen. You know? What else, guys? I think I'm done. It's time for me. What did I got tomorrow? Did I have to get something tomorrow? I'm working tomorrow? No. Finally, I'm off tomorrow. Oh, no. I'm not working tomorrow, but I got 2 makeups tomorrow to do. But I can stay in bed. The makeup are like 6 o'clock. You know, very late. I can be in bed tomorrow. I know, Sheila. You got the kimono. You got your kimonos, right? Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in bed. Guys, get Jenny hair products. You get l'huile là. She got the oil. She got the pomade. Get her oil. Kwa m coupe cheveux mwen, ouais. Very soft, very nice, very shiny. Après m coupe cheveux là, m mette pour l'huile là non. Pour si m pa de sticky, mette pomade là dans roots là. Dans root yo. Okay. It's time for me to go. What do you want if I'm not done yet? Yes, I'm done. Yes, guys. Get your Christmas gift. Last week, like I said, I was so busy. I couldn't do anything when I got home. Yes, I have more, but you know, I'm good for now. I want to just talk a little bit. I couldn't do any live last week because I was so busy. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do another live. Don't forget, guys, call me 908-738-1104 for you to get your stuff. I can mail it for you. If I got stuff for men, I got t-shirt for men. Alright, Liz. Okay, Liz, I will look for a message, you know. And what I will do, I will send you stuff. I will send you more pictures, you know, you can see. Because I'm doing we are doing a photo shoot for the kimonos next week. Next week I'm doing a photo shoot for the kimonos next week that we can put on Facebook. On my page you can see the different one that I have. I got dresses, I got all of them, but you know, oh, they are very made. They are different prices. They are from $25 to $50. They're not expensive, the kimonos, guys. They are from $25 to $50, you know. $25 to $50. And May, they will fit you. This one will fit you because I got some small one. Those are they will fit you. Yes, just for the holiday, guys. For the holidays, you know, nous gen tout bagay sa yo la, lancel, relais prend pour là, relais prend pour yo, prend pour supporter, parce que là qui nous m'a dit non encore, ou supporter m'jodi a, demain c'est qu'on a supporter yo. And guys, you know, for the chic tie, no, okay, let me tell you the deal about the chic tie, okay? You guys will find the chic tie every day, the Arkansas chic tie. My pretty encore, I started to do the chic tie because I was on Facebook telling people how can this, okay, comment you can start business you. I was telling them, if you know how to do things like Arkansas, other things, if they can cook, to do it. But I never meant to do it because I know me, I don't have time for it, you know. I was telling people what they can do to make money from home. And the next day after the live, everybody was calling me. Karine, when you going to start the chic tie? When you going to start the show? I said, okay, but if everybody asks me, let me do it. And then I started, je me fais chic tie là, je fais 16 bocal, tout est vendu. Quand la deuxième, 2 weeks ago, je fais l'autre encore parce que je fais order encore. Moi, je fais chic tie là, je fais chic tie mouru, je fais chic tie en sort, je même fait l'en bi. Tout bagay ça au vendre. Quand on a des gens qui après toujours besoin de ça. It's not something that I can do every day, guys. I think my next one will be in the next 2 weeks. Okay? Next 2 weeks. If you want to get the chic tie, ou bien chic tie en soa, chic tie en moruya, ou bien lambia, you have to text me. Text me and let me know you want it when I'm doing in 2 weeks. Nous ka joindre par nous. Parce que pas gen temps même pour chita pour faire li comme ça. Pour faire ça faut prendre temps pour tirer ti zo la dani, pour faut gen temps la dani. Qui rend cause si nous besoin ni gen dom que l'aime jodi a k'ap di moi que est-ce que moi pas gen chita en ça. Non, moi pas fermer de chita là. Moi faire seulement par order. C'est order moi faire par order moi faire. Myself, I love Amazon very, very much. This is why, you know, I'm doing it. Okay? If you want it, just prends me order ou, les filles la fait pour. Mais si on va nous mettre chita là comme ça, parce que nous connaissons Amazon, nous pas qu'à faire mettre les chita sans pas grand monde qui m'en déli. Okay? Yes, they are big gifts for the family. Ou pas faire ça, Sandra? Eh bien, on t'a passé. C'est pour mon temps court, yo moins faire ça. Parce que il y a pile monde qui était dans l'appartement aux États-Unis. En sort son bac qui vraiment dégoûtant, leur cuitli fait de cas senti en sort. Il y a des gens qui disent oh moi mettez mes baleines, moi mettez moi brûler comment dire comment on dit ça encore yo bouilli yo bouilli doni pour faire qu'elle a senti bon tout ça on fait mais ça n'a pas toujours été parce que toujours acheté dans radeau. Donc on a un son smoke araignée sans souffert la prêter des jours avant de sortir. Moi-même moi j'ai réchaud moi fait dans la cour moi fait tout déclame fait dans la cour qui encore sans pas déranger dans la caille du tout. C'est pour monde ça moi fait les monde qui pas les sans déranger dans la caille monde qui pas qu'on fait les comprendre. For me, it's all about the money. I don't make money on that, you know. Ba fait l'argent, le marché de caisse en sort, marché oignons, pile oignons, achon sac oignons, achon bala. Ou pas fait l'argent là vraiment. Pourtant perdu là dedans, pas fait li. But the fact, you know, my friends supporting me make me oh my God, pas parler anglais qu'on y a là. Fait me joy pour moi faire li, you know. This is why. No. So des boys ça me fait pour but pas boy ici là. Je comprends, on dit pas comment pour faire, on va pour faire. Je connais, oui, je donne un exemple. Il y a des gens qui pas faire à cause de caillou qui sentit en sort. Le matin, il faut montrer comment vous faites. Je vais step by step pour me dire comment vous faites. Parce que quand ils sont pas moi depuis Haïti, Grande cause. Haïti, ça nous qu'on fait en soa, nous frili, nous mettons de l'eau là-dedans, après nous fait boy, nous mettons là-dedans, en soa boy was very good. Okay, guys, I have to go. Like I show you everything that I have, you know. Kimono sa, this is mine, but I got more. I get more na sa yo. More na sa. Parce pour gros size yo, I get seulement 1, 2, 3, 4. I only got 6 for the big size. After that, everything else you see that is gonna be from like small to large, you know. Pas un peu extra large là, okay? Okay, guys, I have to go. Bye, 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 bye. Let me see. Je dis merci pour tout le monde qui était là, qui a regardé le live là. Merci pour le monde qui share yo. Merci pour le monde qui bon l'amour yo. Merci. Je dis tout le monde au revoir. Au revoir. Moi dis nous merci encore. Tout le monde qui a regardé yo. Oui, je vais bien. Nous connaissons pas des lunettes tout. Ok, moi. Nous connaissons moi dis merci en particulier à tout le monde qui bon moi love. Tout le monde qui bon moi love, yo me dire merci. M'a dit Manouchka, ma chérie, merci. Ma chérie, merci. Menzer, merci. Eski, my love, my daughter, thank you. Sandra, love you. Micheline, I miss you last week. I couldn't wait for you. Ma'am, Fabiola, Lilin Sherry. Thank you, Lilin. Thank you. Your name was on it too. Carla, daughter, my love. My daughter, Carla. Plein daughter, petite. Plein pile daughter. Good daughter, oui. Sandra, Fabiola. Donald, frère. Merci, mon frère. Merci pour être toujours là avec nous. Merci pour surtout qui est madame, la supporter moi tout. Merci. Your family is my family. Love you guys very much. Michelle Frito, merci. Kathleen, merci mon amour. Robert Mathieu, thank you my love. May my love, let me know if you're back. Belle Gabi, merci. Cécile Fleury, merci d'être là. Gary, mon ami, Gary, ou la game, Gary, I don't know what I do. Par contre, ça m'a fort, puis ou la game, comme ça, Gary, it's not good. Gary, Nashley, Jean, Liz, mon amour. I will send a picture. Eric François. Merci d'être là. Régie. Rosemary, my friend. Merci Rosemary d'être là. Francine. Ambroise. Evelyn, my friend, my sister. My long-time friend from Haiti. Darlene Gourdet. Cécile, my friend. Karine, my sister. Maudline, Nadej, my sister. Manu, another sister. Gina, my friend. Batando même Gina. Nogra Hani. Mbaka di non, but I think I said it right. Nogra Hani, thank you. Gerlande d'Espérance, merci d'être là. Jasmine, mon amie depuis Roger Anglade, merci d'être là. Judel, thank you. Martine Jacques, thank you. Léa Villanois, thank you. Sheila, my friend, thank you. Thank you. Charlene, Fleurette. Non, t'es là bas, moi, tout Charlene. Pour la fois, but tu vas au gay. Fleurette, supporter moi tout. Merci. Nathalie Saint-Ville, Guirlaine, une maman, ma mère. Ça me lève dans depuis petit mon à 3-4 ans. Guirlaine, je t'aime. Karine Dauphin. Elsie, thank you for watching. Burnell, Carmen, Yves, m'a dit tout le monde qui l'a yo. Merci, merci pour cette en bas là avec moi. Mais t'as bien une affaire intéressante. Mais toutefois, tout pas oublier pour nous relayer, pour nous supporter, acheter ça nous besoin yo. Au contact passé, le m'a fait live, même si m'a fait live, pas envie d'aller. Le m'a avec nous là, je suis tellement content, pas envie d'aller, but faut m'aller. OK? Parce que je suis fatigué. Pas mal dormi. Pour demain si Dieu veut. Mon Dieu, c'est garder jusqu'à 6 heures. Alright guys. Bye. That's someone who like me, but that's someone that how do you like my hair, guys? Leave me alone. Where I live, sorry. Alright guys, you know, thank you guys for supporting Black-owned businesses, you know, not only for my business, every business. Thank you pour nous support tout small business, tout small entrepreneur, tout small, you know, n'importe ça mon a fait, nous avons amis qui font bail qui bien, il pas besoin de vendre, montrer mon que nous apprécions ça les faire. Vous comprenez? Tout ça mon fait pour nous apprécier. Pas faire hate, pardon, pas pour nous pas supporter le monde. Tout ça mon a fait. Mon n'a pas de télévision, nous dit merci. S'ils font son bail, la fait de bien, nous dit merci. Mon non nouvelle en Facebook, la font bail de bien, son bail de bien la fait pour nous dire merci. Je ne pas dire pour nous supporter médiocrité, mais si on bail qui est bon, supporter-les. Mon n'a pas de surette là, ou pas de, même si store avant venir, voilà chez le market, yo vend $2, mon n'a vendu $5. Supporter, parce que c'est là, pour ça, là, pour $5 là. Market là acheter en gros, il n'est pas même prix à l'acheter comme un small vendor. Just support, guys. Supported me. And tomorrow, like I said, tomorrow I'm home. I will be live again. Market tout ça devant moi là, I'm gonna live again tomorrow. Love you guys. Have a good night. I don't feel like to go, but you know I have to go. Chita en gros, ou bien chita en gros. Oui, si nous avons fait, nous mettons chita en gros plateau, ma fait pour nous. Ni l'ambiato, ni mouiato. OK? Mais il faut que c'est à la voix sur notre odeur. Bye. Love you all.